Hi, Chelsea from Traveling Fig here, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use your Foreo UFO. So if you are a maskaholic like me, you're going to love this. It helps you deliver all of the ingredients and the most beneficial parts of each face mask all the way deep into your skin using Swedish design and Korean beauty product knowledge. So this guy is amazing and it's pretty easy to use once you get the hang of it, but it does take a little bit of explaining. So when you get this, you probably will also be getting these two. So there's a mask for the daytime called Make My Day with hyaluronic acid and red algae for hydrating anti-pollution. And there's a nighttime mask with ginseng and olive oil for revitalizing and nourishing. So to use this for the first time, it's already charged, it's already ready to go. You just have to download the Foreo app in the App Store. It's a free app, it downloads in a couple of seconds, and it does walk you through what to do. So the first step will be to hold the button on the top for a couple seconds until the lights come on. And then this will help pair the device with your app. So once that's on, then it will ask you to scan the back of whichever mask you're using. So say we're gonna use the Make My Day, there's a barcode on the back and you're gonna scan that with the app. Again, super straightforward. From there, this really zen, relaxing voice is gonna walk you through all the steps, but you'll pull out the mask and you'll take off, there's this ring, this plastic ring, you just take that off, put the mask on, and secure it into place, and then put back on the plastic ring. And you wanna be able to make sure that you can read the Foreo at the top. So that is how you know the mask is on there. This is a mask that I just already used, so forgive its appearance. And then it'll walk you through. So you're gonna make these nice circular motions with the UFO all around your face and your neck and your chest, and it will talk to you about what's happening. But basically, it uses a bunch of different technologies to help really deliver all the ingredients all the way deep into your skin. So it's gonna use LED, which you know, if you've ever looked at my blog, that I am obsessed with. So it uses light therapy. So red light is really good for anti-aging. Blue light is really good if you have acne or any bacteria or rosacea. And I think green light is for toning. So it's gonna use all three of those while it heats up, and that will help really open up your pores and help deliver everything in. And then it also uses cooling technology to close your pores after. It also will lightly pulse your skin. So you'll feel this little pulsing during parts of this quick 90-second facial massage. And that also is helping just to really deliver all the ingredients deep, deep, deep within your skin so that you're getting the most benefits from your face mask. You know, I think a big worry is that we spend all of this money on all these different ingredients, and then who knows if they're really working or they're really getting deep into our skin. And they also take a while, you know? Usually I have some kind of goop or mask on my face for 15 to 30 minutes. This will be 90 seconds. And then after, the aftercare is so simple. You take off the mask, and you just run this under warm water, and then I just wipe it off and place it back. And I usually leave it out because it's adorable. So that was as fast as I can talk about this Foreo UFO. I can't tell you how much I love it. I have been using it pretty regularly, and I definitely notice a difference, especially with the Make My Day. I notice that after I use it, my skin's really soft and makeup will glide on a lot better. Either way though, both masks are really relaxing, and it feels like you're doing something a little bit more luxurious, like getting a real facial, and just that kind of like nice warming massage is just nice. It feels like super bougie and fun. So big fan, I give it 5 stars. Thanks for watching. I have some other videos on how to for beauty and different products that I've fallen in love with, or you can always visit my blog at travelingfig.com. Thanks.